Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show how to integrate the web API, the weather API along with the AI API. So the AI API will be using is the Grok API key. So the Grok API key is an API key from which is from the AI. So I'll share the link for the Grok API and the Open Weather Map API. So that is for the weather and weather API keys. So um, what we have is what we'll be doing is we will be combining both the weather API uh, uh, and the Grok API key together into the this one web page connected to the ESP32. So in the ESP32, what we'll be having is we will be creating these routes, and we'll set this default route to index.html. So it's in this directory at data. So as you know, for uploading some HTML files to ESP32, you need the little fs which is little file system for ESP32. And then we have handle client, and then we have handle command. So what I'll do is if there is no if if it has no argument, like if argument called command, it will send this 400 message missing command. So what this is just this is also the same thing. I'll just send a command to no not required. I'll just delete that because. And then what we do is we start sending proxy data to the to a web page. So we send this we have this static JSON document whose size will be 1024 bytes. So it can be request doc or doc. And then we have if the user message is empty, then it will just print the error message and then the empty message. And then this is for the Grok API key. I have set it to final API key. Then we create another document which is 2048 bytes large. And then this is all for the AI. And then we will have this check. It will check if the response is greater than 0, that if it is if it is like 200, 300, 400, 400, 404 or something like that, it'll send this application slash json charset is equal to utf-8 character set. So this is like utf-8 is a character set type in like we use in common html programming and all that. So this is handle weather, and this is the endpoint for the handle API for weather. And then remember, this should always be there, these links, because they are the reason why these messages can travel through them. So now I'll just what we do is I'll just upload the code. I'll just connect and upload the code again. Also there is index.html. So what it does is has these three buttons, which is called car button, chat button, and the uh, weather button. So those are like three modes, and the styling for these also. So the code I'll be providing in GitHub, you can take the code from there. So one more thing is that is this uh, the script.js. So this is for the car mode. I still did not add those yet, but I'll later on add them though. So I'll just go to http://192.168.56.1. So just it's uploading now. Just reset the board. So now it started, and I guess I forgot the IP address again and again. So now you can see it has started, and if I press chat mode, it'll start chat mode, and I'll type in something like hello. So just wait. It'll send this message. I am trying to connect the ESP32 dev module to Arduino Uno. How to do that? So if I send this, it'll also respond. It's kind of hard to read. The formatting is not proper though. So you can see that. And for weather mode, you can either type what's the weather in Moscow. So this kind of the bug here. I'll just type in Mumbai. So if this won't work because it's just taking this full character in weather mode, and will not find this. Will not be able to find the city. So there's still this bug in the JavaScript program because the UTF-8 is not yet taking place in effect properly. So then let's go to car mode. So you can see the car buttons are there, and so I'll just keep sending these messages. Because the reason was that I have not yet connected the IR sensor, so I'll keep sending these tons of messages. And still you can see the chat mode, chat buttons here, and you can keep sending messages. So later on I'll explain how to connect the ESP32 to the rover we made, and make the AI to control the rover by typing in some user friendly messages like move the rover forward for 10 seconds. So something like this we will send, and will make the AI be controlled by these messages. Thank you.